I'm absolutely not taking it for granted. Absolutely not. It will be it will be an absolute privilege if the people of Ireland elect me when they cast their vote on Friday. And I've always said that from day one, an absolute privilege. I'm taking nothing for granted. I'm canvassing the rest of the day and tomorrow. I think we had 3 hours sleep last night. I'm not complaining, I'm simply explaining that that's the nature of the campaign. Yeah.
What would it say to the government if you do win?
I hope it sends a very positive message that they should reflect on the way they have approached this campaign, number one, and that should be a matter for discussion after the election. And also, there's a complete, I think, gap between what the government are seeing and what people are expressing on the ground. You can see it here today, you can see it everywhere we go, that people are crying out for honesty, integrity, and for a different vision for the country, and for a solution to our problems, and to be a voice for peace in the world.